Assalamu alaikum student. Today my topic is our national language. Our national language is Urdu. Every advanced country has its own national language. Look at Japan and China, Germany and England, France and Holland, Russia and America. They do not depend upon borrowed languages for their development. Rather, they are developing more and more because, among other things, they have their own languages. The question arises, why has Urdu not acquired its full status as the national language of Pakistan? First, Urdu is not so much developed, although several languages, Persian, Arabic, Turkish, etc., have formed it, so it is still not a rich language. It does not have thousands and thousands of words that are needed in the world of business, science, industry, and administration. It is just fairly developed from world standards. Second, the past government did not do much to introduce Urdu in all the educational institutions, offices, and law court. They do not have literary organization suitably in their research on the Urdu language for making it really advanced. As a result, English continued to be the more important languages for the higher education, scientific research, office work, and court proceedings. Third, English cultural influence on us are still strong. The older generation especially has been under its direct influence. Now, another important question arises. How can Urdu acquire its full status of national language? First, we should add new words to Urdu from the provisional languages and from foreign languages like English, French, Arabic, and Turkish. We can also consider developing a language from Urdu, Punjabi, Sindhi, Balochi, and Pashto. They can easily be understood everywhere in the country. Second, the government should make plans and take steps to introduce Urdu in phases as the medium of instruction and as the official languages only where it is practicable. Already some useful work has been done in this connection, but a lot more needed to be done. We shall have to read English as another main language for our progress. Rather than giving up its study, we should promote it. English is a window on the world through which we view and keep in touch with all the modern development in the art, science, industry, medicine, and other fields. English enables us to read original books by world's famous artists, scientists, doctors, engineers, and specialists. It helps us to get familiar with modern research. Thank you for listening and watching.